I'm Mackenzie.
And I'm Alexis.
And welcome back to our how-to series. Today we're going to focus on a brand new, super exciting product, sunscreen. This is something you guys have asked for, a blendable mineral sunscreen, and boy, have we delivered.
So exciting.
So This is the new Biossance sunscreen. It's called SQUALANE+ZINC Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. It is SPF 30, it is broad spectrum, it's PA+++. I love this product. You?
Same. It's amazing, it's hydrating, it's glowing. Yeah,
and it's blendable. This blends into all skin tones. We are going to show you exactly that today. The other thing is it's zinc, so it's a mineral, reef safe, amazing sunscreen. We've got water lily to reduce the look of redness, and that killer squalane to really hydrate and leave your skin like with that beautiful dewy glow. We're gonna dive into exactly how to put this into your morning routine. Super easy. Honestly, for me, it's like seamless. That's how much I enjoy using sunscreen. Enjoy sunscreen, what? Two words that you can actually use together.
And under makeup, phenomenal. Phenomenal.
So we've got a lot of our products here. We're gonna walk through exactly how to use it. But first and foremost, let's explain our skin type. What kind of skin type do you have?
My skin type is oily combination, acne prone. I tend to get little guys all around here.
Tough.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Not fun.
But your skin looks beautiful right now.
Thank you.
So
Thank you, Biossance.
Thank you, Biossance. So how have the Biossance products been for you?
Fantastic. Let's see. This is my go-to. Definitely every morning, every night.
Okay, what she's like holding to herself right now is the Squalane Plus Tea Tree Gel Cleanser. Everybody, she's like, I love this.
You can't see,
what it is.
It's mine. I need to take it.
This is a foam and gel cleanser. Again, super clean and beautiful. I personally don't cleanse in the morning because I don't feel like I have a ton of oil on my skin when I wake up in the morning. So I like to honestly start with the Hyaluronic Toning Mist. Beautiful. I'm going to spray. You're going to spray or double spray. Okay. Go. Oh, yeah. That's right.
Love it.
This is, I keep this with me all day, too.
I use this in traffic, actually.
Is that like
when I'm having road rage? Yeah, I'm like, and zen. Okay, I can do this.
We are solving skin problems and road rage all in one, my friends. So that I start with that. And then in my skin routine, I jump into eye treatments.
Okay.
What's your go-to eye treatment in the morning?
Honestly, I use both. Because I'm that greedy with my skincare.
So both of the amazing Biossance treatments.
Peptide eye gel, which I love. Nice little thin formula.
This is like my fatigue banisher, like my hangover cure, my red eye flight like issues gone. So okay, I'm doing, what are you doing, ring finger?
Ring finger,
Good, yeah. Ring finger forever, right? Because most gentle finger, the gel feels really, really nice on cooling almost, right?
Yeah, it just really depuffs and just, it's like that feeling.
Okay,
it's like really
how are you
relaxing.
applying it? Are you doing circles?
Circles always in towards my eyes because you never want to pull away. No crow's feet. Yeah.
So, okay, we're both on the Biossance team. And Alexis is in stores, you're on our sales team, talking to clients all the time. So I know that this marine algae eye cream has been a hit. What's the marine algae eye cream best for?
I would say this one is best for that instant lift, that brightening, opening up the eye area, giving some nourishment and suppleness and glow to the eye area.
Yes, I will take that.
I actually sometimes just call this a wrinkle smoother because I put it on my forehead, that corrugator muscle. I also put it across on my 11s. I'm just gonna slather it on.
Her 11s, her corrugator. She's giving you all the names, right? Basically what she's saying is the frown muscle. Yeah. What we're doing is we're taking a little bit of the marine algae eye cream and we're putting it on top of the eye gel, right? So you can totally use both, one or the other or both. But if you do both, gel, then eye cream.
Gel, then eye cream, yeah. So I'm putting it here, and then I go down, actually, on those, like...
Okay.
Yeah.
Look, this is what I'll do. I'll actually come up, and I'll, like, go here, and I'll even, like, really pull right up, even into my brow bone. Especially if you get migraines. I feel like I'm getting eye cream in my hair right now, but okay, we're okay. I'll even take a little bit around my lips too if I need to. I like to prevent fine lines around my lips. And that's honestly like what you're saying, the marine algae eye cream is amazing to prevent the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Really good. So now that we've treated our eyes, we're gonna move on to face. Serums are like a concentrated treatment in a bottle. So if you want to correct or prevent a specific concern, often an aging concern, and we're all about aging gracefully at Biossance, we have two incredible serums. So the serum that I'm going to use right now in the morning is going to be the Squalane Plus Phyto-Retinol serum. But we also have you been using this?
I have, at night. Love it.
At night, we love our Squalane Plus Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum. What do you love about this one?
This has been beautiful in minimizing my pore size. My skin is so oily, and every time I look in the mirror, I'm like, why are there pores. Why can't I see my pores? And that one's just giving me amazing texture.
We all have pores,
Love
everybody, okay? You're supposed to.
But I don't want to see them. I want them to be smooth.
Yes, I understand the
This
feeling.
is smooth.
Well, lactic acid is good for texture. That's exactly right. Smooth out the uneven, rough texture of your skin. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. Now my turn with the fancy words. But that means that we want to use it at night.
Alpha hydroxy acid.
Alpha hydroxy acid. Right? If you say it in a British voice, it elevates everything. So that's a nighttime serum. Nighttime lactic, morning Phyto-Retinol.
This smells like the forest floor. I
Forest
just have
floor.
to say. It just reminds me
Have you spent
of
a lot
being.
of time there? She's like, I
I
love
just
it.
want you guys to know that it smells amazing.
It truly does. But I also think people hear retinol and they think I can't do that in the morning,
Yeah.
right? So I took one pump and I'm gonna sort of distribute it and put it on. Now, you can totally do this in the morning because phytoretinol means plant-derived retinol. So the retinol aspect in here is actually bakuchiol, which is a plant-derived alternative to retinol, and it gives you all the results that you want with retinol, which is smoother skin, less visible fine lines and wrinkles, really that even overall skin tone, but not all the side effects that typically come with conventional retinol, which is sun sensitivity, irritation, thinness, dryness,
flakiness.
Yeah. We do want the results, but we don't want all those side effects. It's already like totally sunk into my skin. How's your
Yeah. No, with this one, I love how supple it feels. It just makes my skin feel just bouncy. I'm like,
And like she said, it does smell really good.
yeah.
So now we're coming up to moisturizer. You explain the one that you're using first.
This is the Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. I am obsessed. I put it on and it's literally like my skin just got a big drink of water. Like I put it on and I'm like, okay, I know I'm oily, but I still like a good glow up. So it's like I'll put it on and I'm like, yes.
A good glow up.
A good glow up.
Let's
like,
get a good
just
glow
to
up.
make my skin glow. I love it. Yeah.
Awesome.
And so this one's a great morning and night. It has this really nice cooling effect as well. At the end of the day where I'm just trying to like depuff and de-stress, I put it on and it's like just so
And
cool.
even as an oily skin, you still love this.
Yeah.
Now, I'm
Very
going to
balancing.
use the Omega Repair Cream, and this is like a much thicker application. And this is because I have that normal to dry skin. I want that like rich comfort to my skin, but it's not heavy. It's not greasy at all. I want to
Okay.
do a comparison here. So we've got Omega and the gel. Beautiful. See? So just like a little richer and then a little lighter in texture, but the same like beautiful dose of hydration that you want. So again, and you guys are probably noticing that we're like sort of distributing it on our faces and then getting in. And that's because I want to make sure I am really covering all the areas. Biossance products sink in so quickly. So you can do layers. That's totally fine. It's not, you don't have to always go crazy, crazy heavy with moisturizer to get the most effective amount when you have a good formula. I feel hydrated.
Same.
Good.
Yep.
Good. Get in the neck, get in the chest. Good job.
Always the chest.
Now we're coming up to the face oil treatment. So again, we're going to use two different ones, show you guys two different options. For me, I am obsessed with the vitamin C rose oil. This is what makes my skin the happiest ever. I think you can really know that a product is right for you when you can like feel your skin missing it when you forgot to use it in the morning or the evening. Your skin like is angry.
It's like tight and dry. And you're like, I'm sorry.
So I'm going to use a couple of drops of this and I'm going to press it onto my skin because I absolutely love how it gets visibly brighter and it just feels so much better. But now, what other oil would you use on your face?
Oh,
or,
actually, yeah, the Squalane.
oh my God.
I actually use this in my hair as well.
In your hair?
Everywhere, from head to toe.
That's a
I mean,
great
this
trick.
like just makes my curls like so good. I'll like take it in my hand and I'll just like do a little scrunch situation, maybe even on my sides. Yeah, and it gives me a nice little hydrated glow. And then I'll put it on my cuticles. I mean, I just like slather my body with it. It feels so good.
I mean, I do
love
use
it.
this as my body treatment all everywhere, but I'll put some in my.
It helps lock in moisture into my hair. I always recommend putting it like on your ends right
please,
here.
please,
Yeah, a little frizz. I'm not saying that you have frizz, but
She is, sure.
taking your frizz down.
But we're coming up to the best main event here, and that's going to be the new sunscreen. Okay, I love this bottle, this color, right?
So pretty.
It's a beautiful, yeah, on your beautiful. Look at that. So she's putting some sunscreen on her finger right now. The best thing about this sunscreen is that it's a daily sunscreen. This is the sunscreen that you can use if you live in a city, if you live in the middle of a farm, if you are on vacation. When you use this sunscreen, it's going to blend into all skin tones. So let's just show them how easily this blends in. What's happening is you're getting the non-nano zinc oxide, which is the sunscreen ingredient in here that really, because it's a mineral sunscreen, is reflecting the UV rays.
And I love that it doesn't leave a white cast on my skin. It's actually really difficult to find a good sunscreen that soaks all the way in. And this one just feels so hydrating, and there's no, you know, you can't see it. It's actually gone.
I love how hydrating this feels. It honestly doesn't feel like a sunscreen. It feels more like a hydrating treatment. So if you're somebody who wants a lightweight, no fuss SPF, this is your thing.
My favorite thing about it is just how it actually blends into my skin. No white cast, you guys. Being someone that's darker complected, it's really hard to find a sunscreen that doesn't just sit on top of your skin.
It is glowing. Everything's glowing on you. Soft. Glow from head to toe with Biossance, really. And I'm not gonna do it right now because we're not gonna keep them for like 30 minutes and go into like makeup, but I could put all of my makeup on right now and it would look phenomenal.
Yeah.
You don't even need makeup.
I mean, put a little powder on, you know.
Do what you want.
But thank you, I'll take the compliment.
So we love this sunscreen. It really is for everybody, all skin tones, all skin types. We all need SPF. We all need protection. You all have skin. And even on days when it's cloudy, and men can use this too. Men have skin, and it's not gonna,
Men have skin?
Yes, they do. That's what I know.
They do? That's it.
Now, I'm holding this because I cannot walk away from my skincare routine without using this Squalane + Rose Vegan Lip Balm. Cheers to hydrated lips. Cheers to a vegan lip balm that actually works. So
I am a lip gloss fiend. Like I have a lot of real estate, and so I love using lip gloss.
Oh, now I get it. I'm like, what? You're in the real estate business?
So like I'm
wow, I'm slow.
No, I have a lot of real estate.
I get it.
You know, I hate having to reapply my chapstick or my lip balm, and this one I can have it on for hours and it's great. It just stays. And
do you know what I do? I take a little bit and I make like a little eyebrow gel with it.
Ooh, I like that. Like a little whack. Ooh, girl, you just gave me a good tip. Okay.
Okay, so now we've gone through our morning routines. We've kind of applied quite a few products, but my skin feels really light. Nothing feels heavy or greasy. I feel like we could walk out right now into the sun and just have a wonderful day, right? And I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. Really, this sunscreen is something that is in my everyday morning routine right now. I cannot live without this. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you to Alexis for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Let us know your comments and questions below, and thanks for watching.
Bye. Thank you.